Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel. I am B&B. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach us on how to use our rivet machine to fix bead on our clothes. How to use a rivet machine to fix bead on our clothes. So this is my mold. This is the size of the mold of bead that I'll be using. This is my rivet machine. These are the beads I have here with me, and I have the pin of the bead with me. So these are my bead. So the first thing I'm going to do is to put my mold inside the down part of my machine. If you have this machine, you understand better. So I'm going to tighten the screw so that it won't be shaking. So the next thing is to put this at the upper part of my machine. So after fixing this at the upper part of my machine, this is to hold the bead. The upper part is to hold the bead, while the down part is to hold the pin. Okay, and when you look at the pin, there are three faces of the pin that are very sharp, so that faces are going to face up. So the faces of the bead are going to face up, while the smooth part will face the down part. So this is my pin. The sharp edges are going to face up. So I'm going to insert my pin into the down part of the mold, and I'm going to insert my bead at the upper parts of the mold. Okay, so after doing this, I'm going to put my fabrics in between it. You're going to put your fabric in between it and apply a soft pressure, not too hard, so that the bead will not be broken. And it is as easy as that. This bead mold comes in 3 sets. I bought 3 for 12,000 or so it comes in 3 sets for different sizes of bead. So you can use any size of your choice. So I'm going to do it again so that you can understand better. I put my pin at the downside, and the bead at the upper side of the mold. Okay, so I'm going to put my fabric in between and apply a slight pressure, a soft one, so that the bead will not be broken. And that is it. Is as easy as this. This machine can do more than 3 things. Hope to see you in the next video.